Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap Holders? So this is a live price prediction and the latest update of Pancakeswap coin, because absolutely, my friend, Pancake has completely falls down in the previous days, but definitely after a very bad fall, my friend, Pancake is starting moving upwards. So this update is going to be very important from all holders. Let's see, my friend, the latest updates to what's going on this time. The mistake, what they are doing, my friend, especially the holder doing one big mistake. So I tell you all about the mistakes to why are you doing this mistake, and what's be how we be safe from more loss. So let's start this brand video. But before I start this video, I request you, my brother, to kindly click out the subscribe button and press bell icon for all videos notification, because this channel is guide you every time. Okay, cake holders, if you can see here, this time the change occur as first of all the update is very important, so I update you plus 2.11%. They're moving up just in 24 hours, my friend. I think this is absolutely gonna be very good change occur in the last 24 hours, because in the last, especially first week, my friend, they completely falls down. So definitely this is good news from all of you. Today starting moving upward, and absolutely the change occur is in positive, and the price is 39.65 US dollar. Absolutely the price is also increased now in the last 24 hours, because the price is going up from 38 to 39 US dollar just in the last 24 hours. So exactly this is absolutely gonna be very good jump, my friend. If you check out the graph result, that absolutely after a very bad fall, but first they take a jump, and after a jump they also falls down. So I think in upcoming time they also falls down more, but definitely after this fails they also take a good jump. So the good time is coming soon, holder. But be honestly, my friend, especially holders doing one big mistake in those days, especially, my friend. And the mistake is that, my friends, today starting selling in those days. So exactly, my friend, if you starting selling in those days, absolutely you are doing very mistake. If you consider this time they fails down, so it's mean, my friends, to especially short time investor starting selling now. So therefore I tell you, my friends, today going down, the change occurs in negative, they are completely falls down. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the good time is coming soon. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for this type more informative videos.